So, I have been, after my dad has passed away, I have been advised and suggested by many people around that I should now get married as soon as possible because I don't have a backup now. I have no back support and I have brother, but since he is married, so now I can't rely on him, and I should not and I shouldn't be dependent or trust him or anybody because we don't know the future, what may happen. So I should, the best thing I can do for myself, instead of putting my head into the career and trying to get this government job thing all the time. I have already wasted so many years and it didn't work out, so maybe it may not, it is not supposed to, or whatever may happen later on can happen. But currently, for my own security and safety, the best thing I can choose is to get married, look for a good family, and be settled. So that is what I'm being advised most of the time by most of the people. Like anywhere I go, whoever I come across, and I would not say that people have wrong intentions by giving this advice. They have their own concerns and care, out of which they give this suggestion. But what I personally feel, some are really close who give me this advice, and they are also scared out of like suddenly at this early age, if both your parents are not there and you are not settled in a through your career also in that good way. So obviously it's a matter of concern. I myself was very scared and like really very scared for a good long while. So I would not say that I was not, but I think to think it in this way, that not having not being so um, properly settled in your career yet, and to think of marriage because I don't have mummy and papa there, and I should not rely on my elder brother, though touch wood, like he is, and his, even my baby, they are both very supportive, and I think that they will always be there by my side. But still, I'm not supposed to be rely, which I can understand. That yeah, you can't. Nobody is bound to take care or be there for you apart from your parents, and siblings do. जो कि लोग भले माने या ना माने, I feel that we have that blood connection where even if we have the biggest fight, we'll still be there for each other. So I feel that way. But yeah, even chalo though, still people have their own families after an age and after years that are um, we stay apart, we can't be together, our journeys change, our families change, our lives change. So nobody is bound to be there for you all the time, so you are somewhere all alone after your parents, and I know this very well. And I am going through this currently that what happens when both are not there, and how um, what kind of pressure it carries in your head. But to think in this manner that I can't trust my own brother who has my blood, and to trust another man in a hurry, and get married as early as possible and get into a family, I am not so aware of. Is it the right decision to make? Like, um, really, should I do this? I don't think so, because I personally feel that just because, the way they say that just because you don't have parents, you should get married as soon as possible. I feel that just because I don't have parents, just because I don't have my mama to phone call and cry if something gets wrong, I should be more careful to get married. I should be, more patient and sit and see what happens before getting into marriage. And I should be more into my career to, actually get a good family and get married. Instead of just looking to get married as soon as possible and just get settled. That's not how we get settled. That's the way we just get settled in front of the society and we get good pictures out of it, but not in reality. to actually get settled. You should have your own life, you should have your own career set, and you should have the right perspective, have met the right man, have met their families, and have a good cordial bond. Because I personally feel that even if I need marriage at some point in my life ahead, to have a family where I can actually feel them like my own family, and you know be able to treat them as my own people and build a life with them, that is more important. Then that will make sense of me being settled. Otherwise it is another struggle. It is another, like, what am I doing? Why did I get married if I can't have a good family to build together? And if there is any chaos or any uncertainty, and you know feeling that I made the decision too early, I shouldn't have done this, or I'm regretting it, what is the point then? Instead, I should build a career so strong for myself. I feel that I don't have to rely on anybody emotionally and financially and become a headache for anyone just because I don't have a family. Neither the my spouse, future spouse, if I get married, nor if it doesn't work out, then I should not be a burden to my brother as well in any way, right? So for that to happen, I personally feel that I should be more focused towards making things very patiently and in a slow pace, let things happen, and not in a hurry just because I don't have parents. In fact, just because I don't have parents, I should be more in control and more patiently think and decide my life ahead. So yeah, that is what my thought is.